And they don't know skill me. I could have go sell jelly for a living, you know. Yeah. Yeah, my problem for sure. One at a time when I come drink to jelly to it, I know no motor run water, especially for the ones that are foreign. Good morning guys, I'm gonna load up the truck for our next eve up the road for take up. Touch off and go. Yes, who want me there in the truck today? One Uncle Daniel.
Yeah man, I say things like
behind me. A lot of jelly we are going to pick up today. We are going to do delivery. We are going to deliver at Kingston today. So we just call him up and say, yo, me I roll today. He said, nah, do that. So I say, roll it.
Yeah man, I catch me on a good day too, you see me?
And we are going to load up. Strong man, them are up. Strong, you know. Well fit. Straight to factory. Yeah man, and welcome to the channel man. There, out there do your work, you know. I try them today, so I don't have to help them much. Because when for them work, my own just start. A whole heap of jelly man. Whole heap of jelly. Which bar? Yeah, then shoot a man up there. No, I nah less than drink for one jelly. Jelly a big door. Yeah, I could have sell jelly for a living, you know. You know. And this is not even the right man. You know, so I could have sell jelly for a living. And I want every people to know what skill means. And they don't know what skill means. I could have sell jelly for a living, you know. That they might do right now.
Request you to sell jelly. You want the one that be there name? Now we have to know the answer. You talk about one thing or no? What you want to
put on that man, jelly on board. Hey, I want jelly on board.
Yo! Yeah, I realize. What's the call about? Yeah.
A big one, actually.
Talk to?
Yeah. Maybe that one.
I chop that one after Daniel. I ain't soft. Yo, for you, everybody will chop them finger already?
Most of them.
Because
you
can't chop jelly with ears. You see when I chop jelly?
They chop your peel round. Like
no,
a child.
No, look, but you go like say you take your time. You know, like some professional, no. You know do that.
Long time after jelly and just do the thing over there.
Daniel, so I'm here.
You know him, I'm record. And you said jelly can be a plant shop, man.
That's strong, you know.
You're running in this, man.
Strong.
Don't fear to receive a look jelly.
Jelly feel cool in there, man, though. You know?
Yeah, man. See them are going good. Them are going good in the truck already. Hot. Good morning guys, I'm gonna load up the truck for our next eve up the road for take up. And then we'll finish and head to Kingston. All the way from Portland. Portland is the best parish, you know. Portland is the best parish, believe that.
Everybody knows that Portland is the best.
Yeah, man. No care, like.
Alright, show me. I never show you.
Everybody we ever encounter with Portland, ever say yo. They don't know about Portland, but they just feel peaceful. And the greenness, you know, look here. Look at the greenery.
What if a river and the
River, look on jelly.
and what if a free thing that people are
Yeah, man, you just live. When that Portland, you just live.
Portland you can hunt. Hunting ground there Portland.
Hunting ground there Portland.
Wild ground.
Yeah, man, that's true. Wild and nice, man.
No other person now go here.
True.
I say you talk full up.
Está full up, yes?
Yeah, full. We have to like the food.
What kind of work on the first though? What do you think? I'm packing good.
I reach one there first.
No, no, if they might go rock off.
Take a look one with our front, so.
Yeah.
No loose, I just gonna drop here, so.
Alright.
Alright, like for the next one, no?
Yeah, man.
And then we like the back for the next one.
Uncle Daniel. Wanna talk to me? Guys, my reverse going on the tight spot. Guys, I'm going to show you a little spring. Yeah, forward. Hold on. I'm not seeing a mirror. I'm not seeing a mirror, I can't move. Overlook! Guys, this is choke life. Is that good? Alright. Yeah, man. When you comment and tell me if I do a good job. I'll show you one spring. Just give me a second. Now look here, guys. Just look here. Look how Portland nice. Portland so nice. Place cool, look here. Yeah, man, we almost finished load up the truck here now. So I'm just gonna watch it. And guys, one at a time when I come drink to jelly to it, I know no more to run water, especially for the ones that are foreign.
Yeah, like that drop something in there. Or put no no pass no. I'll talk about look.
Nice little fall down here, so it's nice, man. Farm area, banana tree. Yeah, man, you guys, I'm gonna work out this one.
Yeah man, big boss, I go up there now. You say I don't know big boss.
I have to set you up with our guest son. I have to drive the truck in so you know the risk. After it dropping off in our vehicle, how much expense you can put in.
True. A big one you want to set up more boss.
Yeah, man, I must set them.
Yeah.
Yeah, my problem for sure. All I need is set. Yeah, man, I'm set them, man. I'm set them.
Wrap around junction.
Yeah, when we go to the junction, hills and valley, you want to get serious.
I will find 2 buses on the road back. I know that's over there.
My one?
Ah, man.
Oh, yeah, let me get it. Let's tell them.
Yeah, I remember it. I want to put the one right next to the machine and take out one.
Oh,
Yes, I want to see it.
yeah, man, we see it.
I was going to pick up the house, come back on board, so.
Yeah, man.
I want to pick up, all right? This one, pick up.
This?
Yeah.
We are roll out and now we're heavy. So we have to take time and there's a lot of hole in a farm road.
Yeah, man.
I take good time because we don't want to broke no spring.
Tell them again. No?
I want to tell you if me I do a good job.
Yeah, man. Don't just comment in the comment section and make you know how you see me?
Uncle Daniel there.
Yeah, fully active outside. What happened to them? Come on, this is the road not that good. Shaky, you see me, so yeah,
Outside.
fully.
Uncle Daniel stop at a gas station and fill up the tank, so who know here, so? Don't tell me if you don't know here, so. less you know so I drive safe up, so stay tuned.
Yeah, man. Finally reach her now. Level jelly down now.
Right, up in here, up in here. Up in here. Touch off and go. Touch off now and go. Up in here. Touch off. Touch off. Touch off. Touch off. Right. Right. Are you there?
Yeah, man, people. So I'm going now. Nice big load as well. Yeah, man.
That man over there. So people remember and like, share and subscribe to the channel. Finally day my phone messed up, so I'm going to see if I can get on phone now. I'll see if I can get on phone mash up. Totally mash up. Just stay tuned. Probably me just show now when I get the phone. So I'll just stay tuned.
Yeah, man. So you see me, so don't let off now. Just get ready and now hit the road again. You see me? Yes.
I really probably just just up. Tell them to go and look.
Yeah, man, people. We have a head one message about GRC now, my phone now, so active, you see me? As we may not tell you now, so yeah, go down in the town to get a new phone, you see me? Yeah, man, that's
Red.
something, you see me? So what going
Guys, when we look at yourself and see that man there. Look right on top of the building there, so. And this can tell you, if you see the man sit down. Where am I out there, so? And then now move. Yo! Yo! Guys, at lunchtime now. Lunchtime and everything in one. Lunchtime and information time. See me finally get my phone here. Finally get the phone. So we go look for the phone first and then we go look lunch. So Daniel did it. Like he in your phone.
Yeah, man.
I text him baby.
Yeah, man, but they are doing a little research on something else, isn't it?
Yeah man. So I just stay tuned with me. I go eat here now and then we head over. So big up. Yeah, peace, me actually there now I edit the video and guess what? I realize that me and Daniel never close the video, so right now I just want to make you know say thank you and thanks for watching throughout the video. Right out, because it help the algorithm help me help you know, enjoy the moment. Me can share the moment with you and make you enjoy. So big up on yourself again. Thanks for watching. I know you watch the whole journey through the day and stuff, so big up.